And let's put that breaking news out on your screens, viewers. The death toll in the stampede is now 6. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Amit Shah has expressed deep sorrow over the demise of the individuals who lost their lives in the tragic stampede near the Vishnu Nivasan in Andhra Pradesh's Tirupati temple. Viewers, devotees waited for hours for token, which was when the stampede took place at the Tirupati temple. Not just 6 dead, 30 have also been injured. The Chief Minister is set to visit the temple today. And the viewers, after the demise, the chaos that unfolded, thousands gathered for darshan tokens at various centers, which was when the stampede took place. 6 were killed. More continue to remain hospitalized. The Chief Minister also going to visit the area today. Take a look at this report.
Thousands in line waiting to push through and get their hands on the tickets. Just to get a glimpse of Lord Venkateshwara in view of Vaikuntha Ekadashi. Tirupati witnessed a tragedy on Wednesday night when a stampede broke at Vishnu Nivasan. Scuffle also broke out between devotees at the token counter. Though the counters were scheduled to open at 5 a.m., devotees started queuing up early, leading to huge crowd. The police struggling to control the crowd. The injured devotees were rushed to Ruya Hospital and emergency centers in and around Tirupati. Anxious relatives waited outside the hospital, yearning for news of their loved ones admitted inside. Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu expressed grief and is set to visit Tirupati at 10 a.m. today.
I'm going across to Aneri, my colleague who is joining us live on the bulletin from Hyderabad to get us more details on the stampede. Aneri, first of all, talk to us about the situation of those hospitalized at the moment.
Well, what we are seeing right now is that the tragic incident that unfolded, many people have been hospitalized in Tirupati, and also at the same time, 6 people have lost their life after this incident that unfolded in Tirupati when the thousands of devotees had gathered there to collect the tokens of Vaikuntha Ekadashi, the Vaikuntha Dwar on the eve of Vaikuntha Ekadashi. So now what we are seeing right now is that a tragic incident that unfolded. There was a stampede-like situation which led to the chaos there, and also, as you can see in the visuals as well, how the police officials, the TTD officials are trying to bring the situation under control, but then that doesn't seem to be working out. And also there was a small scuffle that also broke out between the devotees and the authorities there. But later what we see is that an unfortunate incident which led to the death of 6 people, and many of them were injured in this particular incident that took place in Tirupati last evening. So now the authorities are closely monitoring the situation. Even the Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu spoke to the authorities there and ask them to ensure that all the facilities are provided. And also not only that, the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Chandrababu Naidu, will also be visiting the hospital in a short while from now. He will be reaching Tirupati, and then he will head to the hospital where the injured are undergoing treatment. But also, what we are seeing is that last evening, when the incident happened, we happened to speak to B.R. Naidu, who is the TTD chairman. He says that this incident has taken place due to overcrowding. Thousands of people came together. Well, they were aware of the situation, but then still, there were arrangements also which were put in place. But then what we are seeing right now is that 6 people have lost their life, and some of them are from Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu also. So we'll have to see what further investigation will be taken up into this matter, and what exactly is the reason behind this incident also remains to be seen.
Right, Aneri, but the question persists that the arrangements clearly fell short, given that the stampede took place and 6 were killed. Who do you think is responsible for the situation that unfolded?
Well, what we see is that during Vaikuntha Ekadashi, there are lakhs of people, around 2 to 3 lakh people visit Tirumala temple to have to offer darshan there of Lord Venkateshwara. But then before visiting the temple, every devotee has to collect a token, and for that token only we see that there was this huge crowd. And not that, but the TTD officials are aware of that there will be huge crowd that will be visiting Tirupati temple and for the tokens, and that's the reason they had made these various centers there in Tirupati. But despite that, there was this overcrowding which happened there. And also what we are learning is that one of the officers there had opened the gate, and due to which thousands of devotees directly just barged into the gate to collect the tokens, and that led to the stampede-like situation there in Tirupati, due to which we see that 6 people lost their life.
All right. Well, thank you, Aneri, for joining us for now and sharing that update over the us.
Unfortunate incident. Unfortunate.
सर आप इसके पहले आप प्रिपेयर नहीं थे तो प्रिपरेशन में थे कि नहीं इतना लोग आएंगे ऐसा करके
तो थोड़ा बहुत तो आइडिया है, ये बोल के नहीं, थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया है, ऐसा होता बोल के हम नहीं सोचे। तो थोड़ा इंटेलिजेंस का भी रेस्पॉन्सिबल लेना है। तो कल सीएम साहब सब बताएंगे, आज रात को पूरा रिपोर्ट आएगा।
अब तक ऑफिशियली कितने लोग मर
6 लोग मर गए।
वो कहाँ के लोग हैं सर? सब लोग
थोड़ा लोग तमिलनाडु है, आंध्रा भी है। तो एक बॉडी आइडेंटिफाई हुआ, 5 आइडेंटिफाई करने का है। Let us see after tomorrow.
Okay.